So the radio picked up a frequency.
Yep, strong one too.
You sure you actually heard anything? You know this is a lot of work, right?
Oh good, you brought the things I asked for.
Hey, why are we listening to this guy? I'm pretty sure he's just a janitor.
Let's just see what he has to say.
Here, take this just in case.
So, what was it you heard on the radio?
Well, it sounded like a voice. One of our guys? Maybe. I couldn't tell. Just take a look around.
Kinda weird, right?
What?
He's just standing there watching us. Long way from cleaning floors. Don't wave back. We shouldn't even be here.
Can you please be quiet? There's worse places to be. Alright, I'm gonna tie us off on that ladder. Change of plans. Tell me when we're getting close.
You guys, need me to do anything?
Now you can just, stay back there and keep the radio dry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, stop!